What's up guys, welcome to a brand new channel that I'm launching. It is called RAR Garage. RAR Garage is here at the Team RAR house, which is a massive property consisting of over 100 acres and a vast amount of terrain. We have a huge lake that we use for boats and jet skis and other crazy vehicles. Then we have a huge field where we can drive crazy things like excavators and monster trucks, which gives us enough space to do just about anything right here in the backyard. So let's go inside the garage, take a look, and I'm gonna give you guys an outline of what to expect here on this channel. Welcome to RAR Garage, which is going to be the focal point of the entire channel, RAR Garage, which makes sense. This garage is over 8,500 square feet and consists of some of the coolest stuff ever. We have 3 car lifts so we can build, fix, and modify any car we want. And of course, all the tools we need to do that. But this isn't just a car channel. We also love to modify mini Jeeps, snowmobiles, jet skis, e-bikes, dirt bikes, ATVs, and so much more. You can also expect some of the craziest builds outside of vehicles too. We've done giant trampoline towers, upside down boxes, and we've even gotten into some crazy construction work, digging holes and driving some of the biggest machinery that we've ever seen. And if you're new to YouTube, I'm Carter Scher, and I'm a YouTuber with over 10 million subscribers. And over the years, we've done some insane builds. We built giant Lego boats and yachts that actually drive. We built the world's biggest trampoline tower, not once, but twice, and the second one floated on water. We buy and build the craziest vehicles like a boat car, a fire truck, and a street legal jet ski. We even do crazy, ridiculous ideas where we bought the world's cheapest Ferrari and hoisted it up 60 feet into a tree just because it was cool. We even built the world's biggest RC car and took it off a huge jump and sunk to the bottom of the lake. We then had to pull it out from the bottom and it was completely filled with mud. All of these viral videos on my main channel has garnered billions of views, but there is so much more that goes into it behind the scenes, and that is the whole purpose of this channel, to show all the technical challenges along the way to pull off some of YouTube's most viral videos. Each of these projects contain a bunch of technical skills like welding, carpentry, programming, building, and definitely a lot of engineering and problem solving. And to help with all of the technical challenges and the head of the RAR Garage, I want to introduce you to the host of this channel.
Hey guys, I'm Matt. I'm the guy who's usually behind the scenes, bringing all the things to life that you see on YouTube. So with this new channel, I'm gonna be able to take you guys on a journey to show you how I take Carter's crazy ideas and bring them to life.
If you guys love the science and engineering side and want to learn about all the technical challenges that go into the viral YouTube stuff that you guys see online every day, then RAR Garage is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our new videos. Woo!